today we're going to install a little coat hook in a bathroom, and I got this from Amazon. So the tools we're going to use today are safety glasses, a hammer, some drywall screws, and some anchor, plastic anchor. Those are number 12s by 1 1/4, and the bit that it comes with, a level, and then our screwdriver, our driver. And then I have a small piece of tape here with a pencil. So here is the coat hook, and we're going to dry mount it and put tape on the walls to where we're going to put the screw holes. So we put tape behind these screw holes. We're just going to mark with a pencil the screw holes where we're going to drill. And then here's our level. And I have this flip side upside down just so it's level, so it's easy to get a good a flat spot on it. And so now we're level, so then I'm going to mark it with a pencil and then we will drill. Mark the center, make sure we're still level. Mark the center on the other side, and then make sure we're still level again, and then we flipped it around to make sure we're level. Our hole, center, and the other one center. I can either get a vacuum or a wet, damp piece of toilet tissue to catch that drywall dust, and I hold it up and then I drill so that the drywall dust doesn't get everywhere. Again, I could use a vacuum, but this is a quick way for cleanup. These are drywall anchors, number 12s, like 1 1/4 inch, and I'm just hitting with the hammer and just pounding them in straight. Put flush. Flush. Just drive it in. I don't drive it in all the way. There we go. That's all we need. So this is our coat hook or towel hook for the bathroom.